Today we're going to show you how to check for eggs for freshness. I have all these eggs over here and I need to check them for freshness. And the best way to do that is to take a clear container like this, fill it up with water, like so. Give it enough room where the egg to go in there. And we're just going to take an egg and we're going to place it in the water so it don't drop, and you can tell it's not floating, it's down on the bottom, so it's a usable egg. But you'll be able to see that if it's laying flat, it's a very fresh egg, and as it turns up, it's like considered more stale. So, but anyway, as long as it's down on the bottom, it's a usable egg. Now, if this egg should go and it floats, if it floats, then that's a bad egg. Throw it away. So that's how you check the freshness of eggs. All right? That's it.